I know everyone knows how to create an Instagram account, but just in case, if you didn't know, then considered watching the full video. To create a new Instagram, open your Instagram. You will be prompted to log in or create an account when you first installed, but if you've already logged into an account, then click here to create a new account. Click Add Account. Now click Create a new account. Create a username for yourself. My chosen username is not available, which is why they are giving us options to select usernames that are available. I'll select this, but you can always select your desired username that's available. After that, click Next. Now create a new password for your account. And then click Next. Now, click Add a new phone number or email address. You can add a number, but I don't recommend it for now, so click this email tab. Enter your email address. And click Next. Now, they've sent us a code in our email, so let's go to our mail inbox. Yes, we got the mail, let's open it. Copy the code. And go back to the app. And paste the code here. Click Next. That's it, you will have to complete your profile, add your profile picture, bio, and start following others. Thanks for watching.